I'm happy to be born in Bhutan because I'm valued.
Bhutan has always placed children at the heart of its development activities. The nation showed its commitment to children's well-being and happiness when it became one of the first countries to sign and ratify the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1990. 30 years ago, world leaders made a promise to children to protect and fulfill their rights, adopting the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child.
I am healthy.
The Royal Government of Bhutan, in partnership with UNICEF, have made impressive progress in improving the health of children. In 1993, a UNICEF publication, The Progress of Nations, commended Bhutan in two areas: nutrition and immunization. In 1992, 82% of children were immunized, exceeding the international target, and Bhutan was declared to have achieved universal child immunization. UNICEF program started in Bhutan in 1974 with support to the rural water supply and sanitation program. Since then, the sanitation situation has improved. 93 geogs and 4 districts of Mongar, Samdrujonkar, Sirang, and Tonsa have been credited for achieving 100% improved sanitation and are now declared open defecation free. About 78% of monastic schools and nunneries today have access to clean toilets. In 2003, Bhutan also eliminated goiter, an iodine deficiency disorder.
I learn and I play.
Over the years, UNICEF and Bhutan's partnership expanded into other sectors. Education was one of them. UNICEF supported the government of Bhutan in non-formal education program, which helped increase the adult literacy rate from 30% to 66.6% today. A total of 203,471 learners have benefited from the program, out of which 71% are female. This has enhanced their participation in local government elections. UNICEF also supports the development of Bhutan's first sign language, and the efforts continue to ensure that schools are inclusive for children with disabilities. The Paro College of Education will launch a master's program in inclusive education next year. The Royal Government of Bhutan is committed to give children the best start in life. Early childhood care and development is one of the avenues, and UNICEF has supported the ECCD program since its inception in Bhutan in 2008. It started with 2 pilot centers and has today grown to over 300 community-based ECCD centers.
I am safe from harm.
To lead the promotion and protection of rights of women and children in the country, the National Commission for Women and Children was established in 2014. In 2011, the Parliament passed the Child Care and Protection Act, the first legislation in Bhutan for protection of the rights of children. A Child Care and Protection Office was also established at the central monastic body to oversee the protection and well-being of children living in the monastic institutions. 13 dzongkaks in Bhutan have women and child protection desks that provide child-friendly policing services. For more than 4 decades, UNICEF and the Royal Government of Bhutan have been working together to improve the lives of children.
UNICEF is helping the groundbreaking approach adopted by the Minister of Health to accelerate mother and child health, focusing on all healthcare and cognitive development interventions a young child needs, from the moment of conception through to his or her second birthday, or the first golden 1,000 days of life. I want to underline that investments in the first 1,000 days of life, coupled with fully funding quality early childhood care and development interventions up to the age of 5 to 6 years, are scientifically proven to be amongst the best investments any society can make towards stability, sustainability and prosperity. They are likewise one of the smartest economic decisions any country can make.
Celebrating the 30th anniversary of the Convention on the Rights of Child, the most widely ratified human rights treaty in history, is a reminder of the promise made to our children.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish CRC your 30th birthday. I know we have come a long way, and on the way forward we would like to ensure all the support that CRC needs, as Bhutan has signed the CRC without any reservation. For the children of Bhutan, you all have all the reasons to be excited, because we have come up with accelerated mother and child healthcare policy that will ensure your health even before you are born. From the time of conception up to your second birthday is taken care of in a holistic manner by Minister of Health, and beyond that, as you finish your second birthday, we like Minister of Health to hand it over formally to Minister of Education, where you start your formal education. And while you start your formal education, we have the digitalizing school policy, whereby you'll be having access to ICT from day one in your school. And as you grow, we are also revising the national youth policy, so that you grow in a very conducive, positive environment, so that you can grow up to be a very positive citizen of the country. So with this, I'm excited to work with you, and we look forward to working very closely so that we build the nation together, and as a whole, we build this world together. Thank you very much, and all the best.